Hello students, today we are starting chapter number 8, indices. Indices means exponent. In lower classes you have learned how to represent a number in the power form or in the exponential form. Any number if we factorize and write like this in power form, that we will call the exponential form. Here this we will call as base, and this power we can call as exponent or index or power. We have few laws of exponent that we will use in this exercise. First rule we have, if we are multiplying two numbers which are in the exponential form and their base is same, then power we have to add. Result will be am plus n. And if we are dividing two number whose base is same, power is different, in that case power we have to subtract. Third rule, power to the power, a power m and then again power n. In this case power we have to multiply, answer will be a to the power mn. Fourth we have a to the power m and b to the power m, which we can write as ab whole power m. Same thing for division, if you have a to the power m divided by b to the power n, that you can write as ab whole power m. Sixth rule, a to the power minus n, if you want to change it into the positive power, then we have to do the reciprocal of this. Reciprocal it, power will become positive. Seventh rule, if a to the power n is equal to b to the power n, here base is different but power is same and in between equal to symbol is there. In this case this base also will be same. We can write a is equal to b. Eighth rule we have, if a to the power n is equal to a to the power m, means base is same but power is different and in between equal to symbol is there. It means these two power also will be same. Ninth rule, anything power 0 is equal to 1. And 10th we have root of a, n root of a, we can write it as a to the power 1 by n. For example, if you have root 3, so that you can write as 3 to the power 1 by 2. If you have cube root of 3, that we can write as 3 to the power 1 by 3. 4 root of 3, 3 to the power 1 by 4. These things we will use in this exercise to solve the questions. Now we will start exercise. First question we have 81 by 16 whole to the power minus 3 by 4. So first you have to change this number into the exponential form. 81 you can write as 3 to the power 4 and 16 you can write as 2 to the power 4. If you are able to do directly, do it directly, otherwise do the prime factorization and then you can do. Minus 3 by 4. 3 to the power 4, 2 to the power 4, this we can write as 3 by 2 to the power 4 and this power is there outside. Now this 4 is in numerator, this is in denominator, so it will become 3 by 2 to the power minus 3. 4 to 4 we can cancel out. Again this minus 3 we have to change into the plus. So we have to reciprocal it, it will become 2 by 3 to the power 3. 2 by 3 to the power 3 means 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3, which will become 8 by 27. In second question, first change into the improper form, 64 into 1 plus 61, it will become 125 by 64 whole to the power minus 2 by 3. Do the factor of 125 and 64 represent in the exponential form. 125 we can write as 5 to the power 3. 64 you can write as 4 to the power 3 or 2 to the power 6. Anyhow you can write. Whole to the power minus 2 by 3. So we can write it as 5 by 4 whole to the power 3, because both the powers are 3, into minus 2 by 3. This by 3 and this 3 will cancel out. 5 by 4 to the power minus 2, or we can write it as 4 by 5 to the power 2. Reciprocal it, so power will become plus. 4 by 5 to the power 2 means 2 times we have to multiply it, 16 by 25. Next we have question number 2, first part. 2 a to the power minus 3 b to the power 2 whole to the power 3. Whole to the power 3 means this power is for 2 also, a also and b also. We can write it as 2 to the power 3, a to the power 3 into 3 minus 9, b to the power 2 into 3 6. Power to the power means we have to multiply. So answer will be 2 to the power 3 means 8, a to the power minus 9, b to the power 6. Second part, a to the power minus 1 plus b to the power minus 1 divided by ab power minus 1. So to change this minus 1 into the plus 1, we have to reciprocal it. We can write it as 1 by a. This we can write as 1 by b, and denominator this we can write as 1 by ab. Now for numerator we have to take LCM. LCM will be AB. Here we have A, so B will come, and there we have B, so A will come, divided by 1 by AB. So here by AB and down also by AB, both are in denominator, so it will cancel out. Your answer will be B plus A. Next question number 3, first part, x to the power minus 1 y to the power minus 1 divided by x to the power minus 1 plus y to the power minus 1. This is similar to last question only, same way we have to do. First we will reciprocal it, it will become 1 by x and 1 by y. Minus power we have to change into the plus. Denominator 1 by x plus 1 by y. Then in numerator we will keep it as it is, and denominator we have to take LCM. LCM will be xy, here we will get y and here x. So 1 by xy and y plus x by xy, this will cancel out. So we have 1 by y plus x, this is our answer. Second part, 4 into 10 to the power 7, 6 into 10 to the power minus 5, 8 into 10 to the power 10. So we can write it as 4 into 6 into 10 to the power, here this is 7, this is in multiplication, so we will add plus minus 5, and this is in division, so it will go for subtraction. All the 10 power we will take together, denominator we have 8. We can cancel out 4 to ja 8 and 2 3 ja 6. So we have 3 into 10 to the power 7 minus 5 2, 2 minus 10 it is minus 8. Next fourth question, first part, 3a by b to the power minus 1 plus 2b by a to the power minus 1. So first this negative power we will change into the positive, it will become 3a by 1 by b, and here 2b by 1 by a. So this will reciprocal and b will go up. You can understand like this, 3a divided by 1 by b. So this division when you will change into multiplication, 3a into b by 1 means you will get 3ab. b will go up. So this will become 3ab, and this same way a also will go up 2ab. 3ab plus 2ab we can write as 5ab. Second part, 5 to the power 0 into 4 to the power minus 1 into 8 to the power 1 by 3. Anything power 0 is always equal to 1. 4 to the power minus 1 we can write as 1 by 4. 8 we can write as 2 to the power 3, and this whole to the power 1 by 3 is there. This 3 and this 3 will cancel out. We have 1 by 4 into 2. Again you can cancel with 2. So answer will be 1 by 2. Fifth question, first part, 8 by 125 to the power minus 1 by 3. First we will change this negative power into the positive power. For that we have to reciprocal it. We can write it as 125 by 8 to the power 1 by 3. Now 8 and 125 we will change into the exponential form. 125 we can write as 5 to the power 3. 8 we can write as 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 1 by 3. Or we can write it as 5 by 2 to the power 3 into 1 by 3. So this by 3 and by 3 will cancel out. Answer will be 5 by 2 or 2 whole number 1 by 2. Second part, 0.027 whole to the power minus 1 by 3. So this we can write as 27 by 1000 to the power minus 1 by 3. And then we'll change this minus power into the plus. For that we have to reciprocal it. 1000 by 27 to the power 1 by 3. 1000 we can write as 10 to the power 3 and 27 we can write as 3 to the power 3, or we can write it as 10 by 3 to the power 3 and whole power 1 by 3. So this thing will cancel out. 10 by 3, which we can write as 3 whole number 1 by 3. Sixth question, first part, minus 1 by 27 to the power minus 2 by 3. So we can write it as minus 27 by 1. By 1 is not necessary to mention. Power 2 by 3. First this negative power we will change into the positive. Now 27 we can write as minus 3 to the power 3 whole to the power 2 by 3. So this 3 again it will cancel out. Minus 3 to the power 2 means minus 3 into minus 3, which will be plus 9. Second part, 64 to the power minus 2 by 3 divided by 9 to the power minus 3 by 2. So this we can write as 1 by 64 to the power 2 by 3. Negative power will change into the positive. Here division 1 by 9 to the power 3 by 2. Now division also we can change into multiplication, or first we can simplify. 64 we can write as 4 to the power 3 whole to the power 2 by 3. 9 we can write as 3 to the power 2 whole to the power 3 by 2. So this 1 by 4 to the power 3 into 2 by 3, because 1 to the power 3 is equal to 1. So we can write it as 1 to the power 3 also. Same way here, this we can write as 1 by 3 to the power 2 into 3 by 2. So this will cancel out. Here this 3 will cancel out. 1 by 4 to the power 2 means 1 by 16. 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. And 1 by 3 to the power 3 means 1 by 27. We have to multiply it 3 times. Now change this division into multiplication. For that we have to reciprocal this second number, 27 by 1. So answer will be 27 by 16. Question number 7, first part, 27 to the power 2n by 3 into 8 to the power minus n by 6 and divided by 18 to the power minus n by 2. So first all the number we will write into the exponential form. 27 we can write as 3 to the power 3 and whole to the power 2n by 3. 8 we can write as 2 to the power 3 whole to the power minus n by 6. 18 we can write as 3 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 1 minus n by 2. This 3 and this 3 we can cancel out. 3 2 just 6 also we can cancel out. So we have 3 to the power 2n into 2 to the power minus n by 2, and denominator we can multiply this power. 3 to the power 2 into minus n by 2 and 2 to the power minus n by 2. So this thing is same, we can cancel out. Here this 2 and 2 will cancel out. 3 to the power 2n and down we have 3 to the power minus n. We can simplify 3 to the power 2n plus n. When we will take it up, it will become plus. So final answer will be 3 to the power 3n. Second part, 5 into 25 to the power n plus 1 minus 25 into 5 to the power 2n divided by 5 into 5 to the power 2n plus 3 minus 25 to the power n plus 1. This dot means multiplication symbol. So first we will change into the exponential form, this 25 and this 25. So 5 into 25 we can write as 5 to the power 2 n plus 1 as it is. 5 to the power 2, 5 to the power 2n. Denominator 5 and this we can write as it is 5 to the power 2n plus 3 minus 5 to the power 2 whole to the power n plus 1. So it is 5 and we can write it as 5 to the power 2n plus 2. This 2 we have to multiply with this. Here 5 to the power 2, 5 to the power 2n, denominator 5 to the power 2n plus 3 and this 5 as it is, minus 5 to the power 2n plus 2. Little more we can split it, we can write it as 5 to the power 2n into 5 to the power 1 is here, 2 is here, 3. Here 5 to the power 2n into 5 to the power 2, down 5 to the power 2n into 5 to the power 4, 1 power here, 3 here. So 2n we are taking separately. Here we can write 5 to the power 2n into 5 to the power 2. Now from the numerator and denominator common thing we will take out. Here you can see 5 to the power 2n, 5 to the power 2n. We can take out 5 to the power 3 minus 5 to the power 2. Down also 5 to the power 2n we can take out 5 to the power 4 minus 5 to the power 2. If you are able to take common here also 5 to the power 2 you can take out, otherwise you can do like this also. Now this thing we can cancel out. 5 to the power 3 means 125 minus 25. 5 to the power 4 means 625 minus 25. We will get here 100 divided by 600. So answer will be 1 by 6. So in this video we will do till here. Remaining questions we will continue in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.